Primary school maths. So easy. X of the primary school maths is just so easy. So we have 3x squared plus 4x. 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. And that is less than or equal to 5. Right? So 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. That's less than or equal to 5. Now that this is less than or equal to 5, what do we do? Since this is less than or equal to 5, all we have to do is, okay, first things first, you subtract 5 from both sides. Subtracting 5 from both sides, you're going to get 3x squared plus 4x. Subtract 5 from both sides, 1 minus 5 is minus 4, and that is less than or equal to 0. Then we're going to factorize it. And that's less than or equal to 0. For 3x squared, it has to be 3x and x. Signs are different. The bigger one associated get the positive. That looks like 2 here and 2 here. The plus goes here and the minus goes here. Let's check it out. 3x times x is 3x squared. 6x minus 2x is 4x, so we're fine. So you have 3x minus 2 and x plus 2. So what I want you to do is sketch a graph to see what is happening. So the roots would be, that looks like minus 2, and 3x minus 2 would be 2 over 3. Now, the portion of the graph they want is when the curve is less than or equal to 0. So that's down here. So the solution is going to be x is such that x is going to be less than or equal to 2 over 3, but x is definitely greater than or equal to minus 2. So that's the solution set for x. Nice and easy, soft. Nice. Now, let's continue. It wants us to solve for the modulus of x plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 5. It wants us to solve that the modulus of x plus 2 and that's equal to 3x plus 5. If the modulus of x plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 5, then there are two possible solutions. The two possible solutions is, that means x plus 2 is equal to the negative of 3x plus 5, or x plus 2 is equal to the positive of 3x plus 5. You don't need to be squaring both sides. Think about it. If you had just the modulus of x equal 1, don't the only answer would have been minus 1 or plus 1? Yeah. So it's just minus this or the plus of it. Nice and easy. That makes sense. So now all we need to do is solve for x. So if x plus 2 is equal to this, then we're getting x plus 2 is equal to negative 3x minus 5, or we're getting x plus 2. We can simplify this one already. Bring over the x over here and bring over 5 over here. We get 2 minus 5 is equal to 3x minus x. So going down, we can bring over the 3x over here. We get 4x is equal to, subtract the 2 over here, we're going to get minus 7, and we're getting over here 2 minus 5 is minus 3, and 3x minus x is 2x. So what we're getting then is, solving both of these, we're getting x is equal to negative 7 over 4, or you're getting x is equal to negative 3 over 2. Now, anytime you're doing modulus question, you need to check the solution. So try it. So just to test it out, negative 7 over 2 plus 2. And when I add them, I get 1.5. So let me see, 3 times negative 7 over 4 plus 5. Negative 7 over 4 plus 2. And 3 times negative 7 over 4 plus 5. And then minus 3 over 2 plus 2 is a half. And 3 times minus 3 over 2 plus 5 is a half. This one is not valid. This one, not valid. This one is not valid. All right, and you may ask, so sir, why is this one not valid? This one is not valid because if you put in, you do the test, when you test the left-hand side, when you put in minus 7 over 4, you're going to get minus 7 over 4 plus 2. You're going to get a quarter. So you're going to get a quarter. Let me write 1 over 4 on the left-hand side, but the right-hand side that you're going to get is when you put in 3 times, minus 7 over 4 plus 5, you're going to get a negative value. You're going to get negative a quarter. So that's why this one is not valid. They're not the same. They are not the same. Since they're not the same, then that can't work. All right, so that takes care of question 2. Since question 2 is finished, we're finished with module 1. Nice. Nice. Now that we finished module 1, we can go to module 2.